today we'll be playing a Grab Pack Test Simulator. So this is basically like Puppy Playtime, but it's a test game for your Grab Pack. So let's do it. Sorry for my baby crying. I haven't played Puppy Playtime, but I know the rules.
Bebe.
Wait. What's this? Okay, let's go.
Hungry ka?
So this game is like Puppy
Are you
Playtime.
hungry? Why? Are you hungry?
This is like Puppy
We're
Playtime.
gonna eat now.
It's fun too. We're gonna try it out. It's named Grab Pack Test Simulator. No, guys, he didn't make it. Let's go explore. So this is the new Grab Pack. So this video will be a little short because we're gonna eat lunch. So this is the new Grab Pack. So welcome to the video. So thank you for the 10K views and 20 subscribers. Thank you so much, guys. So I think that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Bye, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye. Jake is out.